Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Wednesday live session. Finally, I think we are seeing the top for this year. The trend, which was continuously up since mid of March, looks like has come to an end, and today's price action clearly reflects the downward reversal in the indexes for sure, and also in many stocks, even on the higher time frames. All this while we were seeing both Nifty and Bank Nifty both were in such a bull grip. There was no nearby reversal levels. Just on intraday time frames we were seeing some very short downward movement, and each downward movement was bought in, and it used to go much higher. But today's price action is a clear indication after about 4 months that this bull market at least has temporarily paused, and we are entering into a downtrend on the positional chart. So this is the Nifty today. It has clearly taken out 19563. 19563 was the sell level for us for beginning of this week, and today's morning opening session itself, Nifty very clearly started trading below 19,600, and it did not waste much time by cracking 19563 and went further down up to 19423 before closing at 19514. Once the downtrend starts, it doesn't really matter where it is closing today. It has cut the significant level of 19563 on the spot, and that is the information that we need to keep in mind, that Nifty has entered into the downtrend on the positional charts. Moving forward, we might get some intraday longs also. We might get some up moves on intraday charts, but at each pullback we will be looking at the pullback levels where we can go further short. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty have entered into the downtrend. Let us see this Bank Nifty chart. For deciphering the trends and for deciphering the levels on the positional basis, I generally use 2 hours candles, and based on 2 hours candles is what I make a decision for positional trades. Positional trades generally will be valid for at least 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the momentum and depending on the way the new levels get created. But for now we can see here Bank Nifty 45,484 was the level, and it opens today below that level and continues to go down and makes a new low at 44,877. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Looks like the top 46,500 what we saw in the month of July will hold good for some more time now, and any upward movement we'll have to start looking into the resistance. The first resistance that is now visible for us is 46,000. If it comes to 46,000 at all, probably it is because the trend has started today. It might take couple of more days on the downside before it starts the pullback attempt, but for now all the levels on the downside doesn't really matter now, and we need to just wait for the resistance level to be formed. But for now, otherwise if you have to really take some positions, it is on the short side on the positional chart and not on the long side anymore. Do not look for any further support levels, because the trend has reversed, and any of the support levels which were existing as part of the uptrend will get invalidated now, and you will have to now, because the trend is down, because the trend got shifted today, we have to just start seeing how many resistance levels keeps getting developed. So looks like the traders were extremely busy today with lot of positional changes in terms of even their equity holding. Lot of stocks also have traded very weak. Many stocks have have seen a cut of more than 2%. So today is a significant day for both, not just for index as well as not just for bank nifty or nifty for that matter. It is a significant day for many of the stocks, and this is really a time for you people to look into your holdings once again and see if any profits still left on the table. Don't hesitate to book your profits and take the money off the table. You might get once again some more opportunities in the coming days, but for now take the money out from the long side. And if you are a trader and not an investor, if you are a trader with the stomach to trade on both the sides, both long and short, then you can start looking at building short positions now, at least for reasonable downtrend of another 3 to 5% from here on. So both nifty and bank nifty are headed down in the coming days. Don't be in a hurry to buy anything, but if you are a trader, definitely times are ripe for playing the short game. Tomorrow being the first expiry for nifty and bank nifty for the month of August, let us see how tomorrow pans out. Most probably tomorrow once again there will be the sell off, but as we all know, markets are markets. Maybe it might surprise us on the upside also. Time and again, quite very often, markets surprises every market participant, and we being in the industry for so long, we don't get any more surprises. We just take it in our stride and keep moving ahead. So we know for sure, markets always, or most of the time, or at least sometimes genuinely does the opposite of everybody's opinion, but most of the traders have no second opinion today in terms of trends. Any trend follower would very clearly say today's price action qualifies as reversal of the up move that we had seen since mid of March. So let us see how tomorrow pans out. Until then, Om Swasti.